So today I'll be showing you the smoky eye squad that I got from L'Oreal. L'Oreal smoky eye squad. Let me open it up over here. Right there. And this is what I'll be doing today. Nice smoky eye, blended like smudge eyeliner, and some lips. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so we first start off putting on the Too Faced Shadow Insurance right here, all over the eyelid. And see the small piece I not this much. It's confusing with the mirror image here. All over the eyelid here, like that. Make sure it's blended in really well. You don't want any thickness. Okay. Next step, I'll be using my L'Oreal Smoky Eyes Quad here. Let's open it up for you. See those four colors? You can see that. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, the one I got from Costco, it's just like a flat basic one like this, similar to the 239. So you start off with this color here. They don't name the colors, but they label it number 1 here. So you first start off, you put it all over the eyelid, see like that? Just pat it on there. Don't smudge on it, just pat it on, so you just pack on as much color as you can. Like that. Okay. Next step, you take crease brush here. This is similar to the 217 from MAC, but this is just one from Costco here. You take it like this, number 3, like that, and you put it all over your crease area. Sorry, this one. Just blend it out back and forth like that. Just keep packing on that color there. Good. Okay. Next up, you want to apply on your highlight using the same eyeshadow brush, but just use the other side of it. You take this color right here, number 2. Just pack it all over there on the top here. Kind of blend out that with the crease color here. Okay. And then you take the same crease brush here, but you dip it in number 4, which is this black color here. Use this one for a second. I'm so confused with the eyes here. So you just put it in this outer V here, and just put a V like that, and like that. And blend it out. One more here. Make sure the other eye is even as well. You can see that. Then you want to take your blending brush. This is my Sephora rounded crease brush. But similar to the 224, but what you do is you want to blend out all the colors all together here. It's really good for blending. You don't want any like harsh lines, any like, you know, obvious differences between the light and dark colors. You can blend it all in here. So next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Flat On Pencil in 0, which is black, and just apply it on your upper lash line and your waterline. I'm just going to not be perfect the top lash line, because all you can do is smudge it out to make it more smoky. Now to smudge it out, put that on here. This is just the smudge brush that I got from Costco for the holiday collection here. So it looks like this. Like that. And what you want to do, since it says on the website, you're allowed to smudge it within the first 30 seconds, so what you can do is smudge it out. You can add more eyeliner if you want a more smoky effect. You can add a little bit more. You don't have too much of a thick line though, because that's maybe too much black there. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply my Shu Uemura. You can't see that. Eyelash color. Curly lashes. This eyelash color is so good. I used to have I'm not sure what grade it was, but it's just so much better. If you really close your lashes without like tightening on them and stuff. I got this from Sephora. I think it's like around $24-ish. And now I'm going to apply my Clinique High Impact Mascara. I haven't done the other edge, so I'll do it on both ends right now. So, there's a long like that. Yeah. Close the lid. Now I'm going to put on my blush here. I'll be using my NARS Orgasm Blush. Can't see that. Camera's not focusing. I'm going to use my powder brush. That's part of the Costco set here. What it looks like. I'll put this one on there. You just want to pat it on your brush like that. That's what it looks like. Pat on your brush like that. And smile. And just apply it on your cheeks here. Moving it upward. Over there. And on that side. This blush is very buildable, like. I'm not sure if you can see, but like, it looks like I hardly ever even used it. That's how good it is. Put a light coat on top. Blending it out. Now I'm going to put on my lipstick. I'll be using the CoverGirl Valentine Rose. Number 535. It's from a while ago, but it's actually really good. So, it's a really nice color. It's like, I'll show you. It's a really nice pink. Very shimmery too. So I'm going to add my gloss. This is just I believe this is the CoverGirl Wet Fix in Clear Radiance. I've used it so much already. Dab all the color there. You don't want to make too much. Okay. So this is the look. Your basic smoky eye with a pretty pink lip with NARS Orgasm Blush. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.